Hare Krishna. Welcome to Krishna's Cuisine with a popular snacks recipe. Gujarat is known for its delicious snacks. One of them is Cholafali. This super crispy delicious snacks is a popular one. Most of the times we prefer buying this from the market, but today let's prepare this at home with perfect texture and crisp. A special spice mix is sprinkled on the top of the cholafali, making it incredibly tempting and delicious. So let's get started. First take 1 cup of urad dal flour. And if you do not have ready-made this, you can grind urad dal into a fine powder using a mixie jar and then sift it in this way. Next take 2 cups of besan or gram flour. Mix all this well. So total we have taken 1 cup of urad dal flour and 2 cups of besan. Keep it aside. Now take a mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup of water, add half teaspoon of baking soda, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix all this well. We have to knead the dough using this water mixture. So this is ready. Now add this water mixture to the flour. Here we need to be careful not to add too much water. We should knead the dough using only the water we have already prepared, and the dough should be hard and firm. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. We need to bring the dough together properly and knead it well for a while. You can see here its texture. Now what we need to do? Spread the dough in this way. At last add 1 tablespoon of oil and mix the dough roughly. Now pound the dough using a pestle. Fold it and pound again. Repeat this process until the dough becomes pliable. If you are enjoying the Prasad recipes and have not subscribed to our channel yet, please like, share and subscribe. Also click on the bell icon next to it so that you receive all the Prasadam recipes. Do it for 3 to 4 minutes. This step is very important for making cholafali. Preparing the dough in this way will make your cholafali turn out perfectly. You can see the texture of this dough. It is absolutely perfect. Now let's prepare the dough balls. Take some portions of the dough. Give it a cylindrical shape like this and then cut it into small portions. Press them like this and let's start to roll. Apply a little oil to the dough balls and keep them covered to prevent them from drying out. Now take a dough ball and roll it into a very thin circle, thinner than a fulka roti. You can see here its thickness. Similarly, roll all of them and dry them for 5 minutes. Now take one and we need to cut it like this. Be careful not to cut it all the way through. You just have to make small stripes like this. So before frying the cholafali, we will prepare its spice mix. In a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of black salt and 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder. Mix them well. After frying the cholafali, sprinkle this spice mix on top for a wonderful taste. This is ready, keep it aside. I have heated oil here. Once the oil is hot, add it and fry them until they puff up and turn light golden and crispy. Fry them on medium flame. So this is ready and cholafali takes very little time to fry. Immediately sprinkle the prepared spice mix over the cholafali. Similarly, fry all of them. The chorafali are ready. Let's serve them. A special chutney is served with cholafali and we will see its recipe later in the video. So keep watching to ensure you don't miss the chutney recipe. Let's place a tulsi leaf and offer it to Lord Jagannath. We have offered this. You can see how crispy and perfect it has turned out. Once cooled, store the cholafali in an airtight container and it can stay for 8 to 10 days. If you like to watch all these prasadam recipes in Hindi and Gujarati, we have shared both the channel links in the description box below. Always chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare and be happy.